How to view your American Express card PIN. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can view the PIN of your American Express card. So to do that, first of all, open the Amex app on your mobile device and then simply log into your account. Now once you've logged in, your homepage will look somewhat like this, where you'll have to basically tap on the account tab, which is in the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the fourth option, which is manage card PIN. And then it will basically provide you two different options. So you can either view the PIN of your American Express card or change the PIN of your card. So since we are here to just view the PIN, we'll tap on the option view PIN. After that, you will be taken to another page where you'll have to basically enter the 3-digit CSC, which will be on the back side of your card. So simply enter it over here. Now tap on the option done, continue. After that, you'll have to do a security verification. So I'll simply do an SMS text and then tap on the option continue. After that, they will send an OTP to my phone number. So I'll simply enter it over here, 683136, and then tap on the option continue. Now once you've done that, once you tap on the option show PIN, you will be basically able to see the PIN of your American Express card. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.